Alright guys, I got a package. And of course, you see what it say. Got a blender. So, these are the specs on the blender. So, let's pop it open and get it started. I think I'm going to do a salsa. So, alright guys, here are the instructions. Pause to read. Y'all need to check this out because it's real good. I'm gonna have it for work tomorrow, so yeah, go check this out. The link will be in the description box. But let's get into the video. Okay guys, this is looking like, I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna show you. A charger, a USB cable, my bad, and voila, here's the case itself. So let me get it out. Yeah, this is nice. Can you see? It's pretty and it looks very durable. But you know, I can put my vegetables in there. Yeah, I got a garden out there, y'all. So let me see if I can open it. Alright guys, this is what it's looking like. You close this and put the lid back on there. You open it and you mash this button here on the front and it pops open. Yeah, it's nice. This is the outside. You see the numbers and everything on the front, the inside, the bottom. So I believe this is the charging block. Alright guys, let's start it up. So if you untwist it, hold on. Alright guys, this is what the camera is looking like. Well, the item, I'm sorry. And you look at that. That's letting you know that it's been unscrewed. So easy access to clean it. And you put it back on. Screw it back on. And it's telling you it's secure. The green means, hey, we good to go. So let me show you this. Can you see? Y'all see that? That is, oh my gosh. Look at that. Let me put something here to show y'all. I ain't got it in the camera good. Alright guys, this is the container without the blender bottom on there. So let's see. That means, you know, we can't turn it on because ain't nothing on there. So that's in protective mode. So if you got kids, Melon, they see this, it's not going to come on. You see that? I like that. That's a plus with me. Well, one more thing. This glass here, what container is, it's nice. If you out there walking and exercising, you know, you can put a clip on here and hold it. It's super nice. So I'm going to put some stuff in here to make a salsa. And I'm going to see how it turn out. All my vegetables and stuff come out my garden. So don't mind me. I'm extra. Alright guys, these are the items out of my garden. I don't washed off everything. I'm going to go ahead and try to dice it up. Get everything pretty so I can put it in the blender. And we're going to see from there. Keep in mind, I'm making a salsa. I just don't have an onion. But it's okay, no worries. Alright guys, I'm putting the top back on here and turning it. So, let me let me take it off. Alright, and I'm going to put the top on to turn it. And it should turn green in a minute. Well, it ain't tight. Let me get it tight. Alright, guys. Remember I told you it wasn't quite tight. So, when it gets tight, it'll turn green. So, we're going to start loading the items up. Here's my tomato, my bell pepper. And I'm going to do just a little bit. A little bit, guys. Just a little bit. Let's see how strong it is. Alright guys, this is what it's looking like so far. I'm going to add the rest of my vegetables and we're going to go from there. Yeah, it's pretty strong. It doesn't pour up that tomato and bell pepper.